Dear students and staff of the University of Iceland, as you are aware of, the assembly ban of the Icelandic government came into effect and lasts for the next 4 weeks. All teaching on the University of Iceland premises is temporarily suspended. The university will do its utmost in order to ensure that online learning will replace on-campus learning for students to continue their studies and complete the semester on time. This is an unprecedented situation and an enormous challenge. We are working with schools, faculties, and individual academic staff members to ensure that the disruption to university operations is minimized as much as possible. I urge you to stay up to date with information on the special COVID-19 page on the University of Iceland homepage. If you need more information, please get in touch using the web chat service on the university homepage. Please take care, wash hands, look out for one another, be in touch, and support each other in these trying times. We have every reason to believe that the difficulties we are facing as a society are both manageable and temporary. United, we will get through this.